Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Neurological manifestation in terms of the deficiency of diseases. So, what are the neurological deficiencies? So, the first neurological deficiency, we are going to look at the dementia and the encephalopathy. So, we are looking at dementia as well as the encephalopathy. So, dementia and the encephalopathy. So, what are the associated nutritional deficiencies? So, it includes the vitamin B12. So, there is vitamin B12. Then there is also the nicotinic acid. There's vitamin B12, nicotinic acid, then the thiamine. So, there's nicotinic acid, there's thiamine as well as presence of the folate. So, all this are associated with the dementia and encephalopathy. Next, we look at the seizures. So, what happens in terms of seizures? Seizures associated nutritional deficiencies, it includes the pyridoxine. Then comes, we look at the myelopathy. So, what happens in terms of myelopathy? So, myelopathy is associated with nutritional deficiency of the vitamin B12. So, here there is vitamin B12, there is vitamin E. So, vitamin B12 is involved, there is vitamin E as well as the folate and the copper. So, there is presence of folate as well as presence of the copper. Next, we look at the myopathy. So, we saw dementia, encephalopathy, seizures. Seizures was with pyridoxine. Myelopathy was with vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin E as well as folate and copper. Next, we look at the myopathy. So, what is this myopathy associated with? So, here the myopathy is nothing but the vitamin D and vitamin E. So, myopathy is associated with vitamin D as well as vitamin E. Then we look at peripheral neuropathy. So, PN stands for the peripheral neuropathy. It means it is associated with the thiamine. So, it is associated with thiamine. So, there's thiamine, then there's vitamin B12. So, all this is peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy, that is thiamine, there's vitamin B12 as well as many others. So, mainly it is thiamine as well as vitamin B12. Myopathy is with the vitamin D and vitamin E. Myelopathy will be the vitamin B12, the vitamin E, folate and copper. Now, let's look at the optic neuropathy. The optic neuropathy, it involves the thiamine. So, optic neuropathy involves the thiamine as well as the vitamin B12. So, there's thiamine involved, the vitamin B12 as well as the others. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.